Welcome to entrepbuff.com week by week. And this is our month in review for the month of April 2009.
Hello! We're back!
Yeah, we're back!
As usual.
Galing, no? So, this is a month in review for our episodes or sessions called Week by Week, which features, obviously, weekly, the most passionate, innovative, and locally grown individuals in a talk about their experiences as a dreamer and as a doer. And it is published weekly and distributed weekly in our most wonderful, beautiful website,
www.entrepbuff.com.
Which is...
Kala na ba ko? Nate kasi linya mo to eh. The web channel for the passionate next-gen entrepreneur.
Ayun! Alright. And as usual, I am Ken. I'm Ken Tan. You are?
Alvin Choi.
Hoy!
Ako ba? I'm VJ Shangyo.
And I'm JD Oy.
Yes. JD Oy. And dapat meron pang dalawa, di ba? Dalawang kumag na yun. So, wala kasi yung dalawang namin, cute boys namin dito.
Nagpapakasyon pa.
Nagpapakasyon pa. Isa, galing pa sa China, di ba? So,
may hangover.
So, to fill in for that, we have a very special guest.
Yeah.
One of the cutest, diba? Girls.
Very cute. Take it. Baka magalit. Magalit si Commander.
We have from the onguide.com,
buhaybasketball.com,
coffeetickle.com,
internet sensation,
superstar,
and one of our good friends and and one of our partners in another endeavor that we're doing. We have Edward Onguide.
Welcome, sir!
Parang nag-dinner kanina, di ba? Ayos, oh. Excited. Dito ako, tama rin. Dito ako.
Hindi ko makita.
Masyado mo na pink and yellow siya.
So, with that said, itong monthly review natin, we're going to isa-isahin nating tatalakayin, no? Ihimayin yung mga naging stocks natin for the past month. And kasi may nakalimutan kaming isama dun sa last MIR namin na isa pang episode. So ngayon we have 5 episodes which na i-discuss natin. Which are patay.
Yan na. What do you
Always.
Okay.
The first episode is week by week 13.
Okay, week by week 13.
Which is the only way to succeed is to have failures. That's the one. And then we'll also be covering Talk by Joe Avila, week by week 14, which is open doors for others and the better you will be.
Okay.
Then week by week 15 by Brian Kibenko, look inward before you move forward. And week by week 16 by Jovi Gongora, which is bounceability. Okay, great. Sige.
Bounceability.
And the last one is Mike T, which is make failure
Your school, not your funeral.
Yun. Alright. So dahil...
Dami, no?
Sorry.
Pagsagaan nyo kami, medyo mahaba-haba to.
Medyo mahaba to. We'll try to keep this under 30 minutes. But anyway,
I doubt it.
So, with that plot, no, medyo mahirap no? Kasi pag tinignan mo dito sa naging month natin, most of them talked about failures. So, what we're going to do is we're going to try to rearrange things para mas may konting flow. So, one of the issues that we're going to talk about first is I think yung pinaka yung nag-encompass no yung nagko-cover ng talagang gusto namin gawin dito sa Entrepbuff, which is yung kay Brian Kibenko no, which sabi niya look inward before you move forward. So kodigo bakit namin nasabi na importante yon? Kasi sa gusto namin i-advocate talaga dito sa entrepbuff.com, which is not just kasi 'di ba sa mga natin sa mga groups natin, lagi natin nakikita na yung mga tao, they usually decide their life paths in terms of what they will get. No? Laging nauuna 'yon. Pero ang paniniwala namin dito sa entrepbuff.com, you have to know first who you are and what you want before you look for those opportunities and yung success and the things that will make you successful, right? Pare, lumabas eh. So So, what do you guys think about that, no? Na yung ina-advocate natin? Kasi yun nga, di ba, paminsan, we always look at the opportunities face value lang. Hindi natin talaga iniisip kung okay ba to sa akin? Or is this what I really want to do? So, any personal experience, pare? Patay.
Put mo on the spot. Hindi. Siguro, well, sa atin naman, well, siguro like yung mga previous talks, like Earl, sobrang daming opportunities na nag-represent sa atin. Siguro like, yung isang movie like a couple of months ago yung kay Jim Carrey na Yes Man. Well, there are a lot of opportunities na nag-represent. So what is important, well, what I think is na to say yes to take on these opportunities. Kasi yung sa movie niya, no man siya, no man si Jim Carrey. So he kept saying no to the opportunities, to the chances. So nag-end up na parang ang dami yung na-miss na experiences, opportunities.
Ba't nandun ka namin?
Hindi, sinasabi ko lang na yung sa kay Brian na kailangan natin mag-say yes to take on itong mga bagong experiences na to, and then bahala ng mga failures kasi it's really part of kung ano yung mga
pero pare, paano mo naman determine kung ano yung mga kasi dami mga opportunities, di ba? So how will you determine what of those opportunities will you take into account na yun yung gusto mong gawin? Right? Paano mo alam? Kasi ang dami nun eh. Di ba?
Ang dami talaga.
So, Jades, what do you think about that?
Feeling ko it's very important to follow, to further confirm what Ken was saying earlier. It's really to, kasi madalas ako, from my personal experience, maraming opportunities always present themselves. And all of them look very enticing. As in, gusto mo talaga, ay, dapat ginawa ko to, Parang you always feel that experience. But is that what you think is really for you? Parang if you listen to Brian's talk, he says, there's always something na ikaw lang
alam nun, yeah.
Ikaw lang makakaalam nun talaga. You really trust your gut in that sense. Parang, you know, this is really for me. You will just hit that moment to one point in time.
Yeah.
But it's not easy to get there.
Yeah, it's not easy to get there.
Baka reach, baka may gusto ka.
Well, actually, ganun din. Ikaw lang naman nakakilala sa sarili mo. You know your strengths, you know your weaknesses. Pero siguro with what Brian emphasized dun sa talk niya is to concentrate on your strengths. Kasi I think the common notion lagi is know your weaknesses, develop that.
Kumbaga kunyari, di ba, pag kunyari sa classroom kayo, pag bagsak ka sa math,
extra work sa math, dapat yun yung tinututukan.
Yun ang common mentality. Pero dito sa episode ni Brian, binaliktad niya. No? Alamin mo kung saan ka magaling ka sa music or magaling ka sa science, yun ang i-concentrate mo and doon ka mag-develop.
Maraming magagalit sa atin na teachers eh.